Hello, my angels. We are back from vacation and we were gone for like 2 weeks, but I also had my mom in town the week before. So basically 3 weeks of just taking off and having fun. But now it's back to the grindstone. So I had a couple of updates I wanted to share with you guys of things that might change going forward with some of the things in my store, etc., etc. So let me start with the store. I have uploaded, I know a lot of you were like, where are your journals? Nothing is online anymore. Everything says sold out. I had marked it that way because I wasn't here to fill orders. I'm home now and desperately in need of a manicure. Ouch. Just noticed that. Anyways, I'm home now and I can fill orders. So I put the printed patterns back on the site. My journals are back on the site and some of my stickers are back on the site. We had a small issue with my printer, which I was going through Sticky Brand. And I hate to say this, I never want to bash a company, but the last few times I have received stickers from them, and I just placed an enormous order with them before I left for vacation. The quality I have gotten, look how gross that looks. Do you see those black lines going across? And there's like black lines going across this one too. And it's time for me to break up with Sticky Brand. I'm sorry, Sticky Brand. We tried 2 years ago. Their quality was amazing, but I can't sell this to you guys. So I am in the market for a new sticker printing company. So if anybody knows of a good one, tag them below for me, please. And let me know because I don't have time to try and out new companies and have them, shipping takes forever. I want you guys to have stickers. And I have a lot of new stuff coming up the next month or two for stickers. So, so some of the stickers are available, whichever ones I still have left over from my meet and greet, but y'all kind of clean me out there. So thank you for that. But that's the update there. Again, I'm sorry I have not been posting as regularly as usual. I just needed a break. Everybody needs a break sometimes. And I took a 3-week hiatus and you saw a few little clips of me, but I just needed some me time and I got it. So I'm back now. I'm ready to party. I have some really fun stuff coming up, really exciting stuff coming in the fall that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So hang in there with me. I will let you know when the sticker situation is remedied. And again, if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, how are y'all? I miss you. I miss all of your beautiful faces and comments, and send me some projects. Show me in the comments what you've been working on because I feel so out of the loop. My sewing machine is like right in front of me right now. I can see it and he's looking at me like, please play with me today. Let's have a fun day. Like I want to sew. I have so many projects to work on. I have this beautiful, I got the Tilda fabric in while I was out of town. I had pre-ordered this, the something blue, and I have a lot of it, and I am stuck on what to make with it. So if you have any good suggestions, let me show you what I was thinking. I was thinking of doing the festive bows and making each bow a fabric, but I don't even know if that would work. I have not even looked at well, it says fat quarters. I don't know. Would this be fun? I feel like this would be really pretty quilt, but I don't know. You let me know if anybody's done anything with it. I've seen a few people make some gorgeous quilts with this stuff, but that's one of the things I'm looking at. Oh, the last thing I wanted to say is I had 2 or 3 of you email me while I was gone. Actually, you left me a 1-star review on my website saying you never received your pattern. And I wish you wouldn't do that. Reach out to me first. Sometimes the mail service just doesn't, things don't get where they need to go. And I am certainly not trying to steal your money from you. I can promise you that. So please don't think that I'm a bad person, but I do understand your frustration. I did email all those people back immediately, but I haven't heard back from a few of you. So if for some reason you did not receive something from me in the last few weeks, let me know. Will you comment below or send me a message? I want to fix it. It's very important to me that you guys know that I am not a dishonest business owner. I would never take your money and not send you your patterns. I want you to sew. Printed patterns, journals, stickers, those all come directly from me. So you might get those faster than you get your shirts because those come from our printer. So those take about 2 weeks turnaround time. So I get a lot of emails like, oh, I got part of my order, but the other half it's still coming, I promise. But please always feel free to reach out to me. shesewseams@gmail.com. I will be glad to look into your order info. And those reviews mean a lot to me. I want to have a really good reputation for being a hard worker and trustworthy. And so when I see a 1-star review, I get really sad because it was not for lack of trying. Okay, I've talked forever. I love you guys. I really miss you. I think I needed to see y'all this morning. So sound off in the comments. Let me know what you're doing. If you're going anywhere this summer, what you've been up to. I miss y'all. And I'm back. So get ready. Oh, this Thursday, stay tuned because there's a really fun tutorial. We're making a hat. We're going to be haberdashers this week. So get your haberdashery pants on. Okay, bye.